Welcome to Introduction to Python class. This is an introduction class to Python programming. We will cover topics such as control flow, function, data structure, and object-oriented programming. Let's start our first video of the class by learning what Python is and why we should learn Python. Why we need to learn Python? Python is a high-level interpreted language. It is one of the fastest growing programming languages. It has many applications because it's a general purpose language. The syntax is very simple and easy to read. This is a Python code I wrote to demonstrate why it's simple. First, I initialize a variable score equals 40. Then I compare the score with 60. If the score is greater than 60, then the program will print, "You got it, nice job." Otherwise, it will print, "Don't give up, you can do it." Now let's run the program to see if our understanding is correct. So this is the output of the program. Don't give up, you can do it, because the score is equal 40, which is less than 60, so it will print out these statements. Now if I change the score to 90 and then I hit save, then I run the program again. Now it changing the program's output. It become, "You got it, nice job." That means because the score equal 90 is greater than 60, so it print out these statements. In the same time, Python is also a very powerful programming language. So what is Python commonly used for? Python is used for web development. For example, frameworks like Django or Flash can be used by users to develop a website quickly. Python is widely used in data science to visualize and analyze data. Python is the most popular programming language to develop artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms. There are three major branches of machine learning. The first branch is computer vision using the camera, videos, and images. One example of computer vision is human detections. I wrote a Python code to perform human detections. So in this Python code, I have 3 different video files. For each video files, I will read frame by frame as images. Then I will perform the human detections on these images. The detection results will be the bounding box. Then I will draw these bounding box on the images. And then I save these images with the bounding box as a separate video files. The programs also save the images with the false positive as a separate image files. The false positive means the detected object is not a human. This is the final combined videos with the detection results. As we can see from these frames, the algorithm is able to detect the person and draw the bounding box around the person. Now let's play these combined videos. As we can see, the algorithm is able to follow the person. Even the person is doing the cartwheels. Now we also have the detection scores in the bounding box. These are several images I copy from the videos. As we can see, as the person is performing the cartwheels, the body position is a different orientations, but the algorithm is still able to detect the person, even the person is upside down or a different orientations. But we also see some false positives. As we can see from these images, there's a false positive of frisbees. So it detects the shoes as the frisbee. These images also detect the shoes as frisbees. Now, because the Python code is easy to manipulate and is able to write these false positives as a separate image, so the researchers and developers can quickly analyze these complicated algorithms. Python is also used for speech recognition. One example of speech recognition is speech-to-text engine. Python is a very popular language for natural language processing. One example of natural language processing is the ChatGPT developed by OpenAI. I hope these videos can make you excited to start learning Python. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.